A wonderful day from here, all the patriots. God bless you all richly. We are here again. We are here again trying to change the false narrative of yesterday. We have to keep on doing the little we can and leave the rest for God. It's an error for us not to do anything at all. It's an error for us not to do anything at all. We have been created to create. A lot of us know that some of the key words we are using here. And our disobedience to nature also have made us, most of us today, we are rigmaroling. It seems we are making impact, but we are not making any impact because our disobedience to nature. And there are several ways you can disobey nature. You not being able to know who you are is a disobedience to nature. Most of us today, the strength and power God gave to us, we are using it in a very wrong manner by citing all manner of evil is what we support because of sentiment, because we try to prove that we are the best and all of other. Life does not function like that. If we are not very, very careful in trying to defend what we are not supposed to defend, we'll end up offending our Creator. Because some of the reasons why we are alive is to promulgate the gospel and also buttress the image of God. Now, if we keep on living this archaic life we are living today, how are we sure in any manner that we are buttressing the image of God? So that's why we have to be very, very careful. It is very imperative today that you share this very broadcast. Our page, you know, as usual, is still seriously under attack. Please, if you are watching, do not hesitate to share. As you do that, God Almighty will bless you in a hurry. As you are watching, share among your loved ones. It's a word that's going to heal our land. It's not about me here. We doesn't believe in monetization. All we believe on that our life, we must be photosynthesized. So it's a call for an uprising. We have to know our problem and begin to know how we also go to cause solution to it. So it is very, very imperative we look for, even though your problem cannot just appear to you just like that, you have to search for it. You have to search for it. In whichever way you can search for your problem, the very day you discover it, then you'll begin to recover. Please, if you are watching, do not hesitate to share this very broadcast among your friends. Just share. So as you do that, God bless you in a hurry. So our page is seriously under attack. That's why we are managing this one for the now. Until the restriction they give to us, until it be lifted. But we cannot just cease when God has given us some certain word to also tell our people, to enlighten our people, that where we are right now is not where we are supposed to be. So the original purpose of God in our lives is not being seen. That's why when the children of Israel, they find themselves in captivity, they grow up and they made that they was in captivity. The same way you and I today, we grew up that we made that Nigeria is toxic. So we were never a part of this system. So we grew up and married. And some person which they have already planted to fulfill the agenda of 1914 and whatever, they give birth to children and they give the manuscript to their children to continue from where they stop. That's the problem we have. It is a written something that do this thing on my behalf. If you watch it today, something we are written down about Jesus, today we are carrying it. Even when we are not seeing the effectiveness in our society. But what going to better our life, we don't send. And it's a very, very big problem. And it's a taboo to every living soul today watching me. It is a taboo. Eternal King of Glory, I ask, O Lord, that you breathe in your word. Let there be healing and let there be salvation. Speak through me to your people in the language they will understand. Speak through me to your children, O Lord, in the language which they will understand, so that at the end your name and your name alone will be glorified. The kind of society we have already designed our heart to give it to us. Every of our oppressors, send them packing. Use the ancestors to send them packing. Use whatever means you can use. That same power, O Lord, you use to make sure Uzziah were removed in the life of Isaiah. Do it in our lives. You have done it before, you will do it again. In the name of the ancestors of our land and the name of God Almighty. He said, Please, if you are watching, the only way you can be able to make this thing go a little bit viral is for you to be clicking love and like and share. So that's the extent we can go. You can see that whatever thing you do in life, there must be obstacle. It's not easy. I'm not doing monetization. I'm spending my money, spending my time, reading at old age. But what are they tricking my page for? What is my offense? Certainly no. Speaking the truth is the offense here. So it's like that. So we have to find something doing with our own life if we must succeed. So the evidence of a true believer is the life that you live. The evidence, if you say you are a believer, before I used to say Christian. But as I was meditating today, where I was busy working with my hand, I was meditating with my head. I said, now, what other way can I be able to explain this thing to other persons so that to enable me carry everybody along, that I'm not only talking about Christianity. Then the Spirit of God told me, son, put in the believer. That was why I put in believer there. And I'm going to be giving you the meaning of believer. What you think is believer is non-believer. That's why any of the critical word, or it may just be one word like consciousness. The topic the other day was very, very brief. Consciousness. I told us here that it was very brief. I was able to give us a dictionary meaning. To an extent today, people already know that they don't have consciousness. They don't have consciousness. Now, after this very particular topic, you will know that whether you are a believer or not, there are people that are doing this life. They claim they are believer, they are not. As a believer, there is assignment you are given. And I'm going to be telling you assignment. The believer means someone who has confidence in truth. Believer means someone who has confidence in truth. That's the meaning of believer. So a lot of people will say, I'm a believer, yet at the end of the day, they are the one treating us bad. A believer means someone that has confidence in truth. That's the meaning of believer. Someone that has confidence in the truth, existence or reliability of something. That's believer. I believe on these very ancestors. Believer, because you believe that, and your ancestors must be true before you can say you are a believer of your ancestors. Now, most of all, we come out, I'm a believer, I'm not a Christian, I'm a believer. Now, why are you always committing evil? Is what I'm not always getting clear. These same people ask, please, if you are watching, be clicking love and like. Let's try and push this video. I know our topics here bless a lot of people. People don't they agree. My word today is what you are using to solve some problem. Let's be frank and sincere at times. It is very, very imperative we are frank and sincere. And if you read the book of John chapter 4, verse 24, he said, God is a spirit. Everyone that must worship God in spirit and in truth. And if you look at the meaning of believer here, he's telling you, he says someone who has confidence in the truth. So as a believer, you have to live like God. If not 100%, we can never be, but at least let the attribute of God be seen. You let forget about Christ. He said, our God is a spirit. And you call yourself a believer. There is something that makes you a believer. What? An animal, a tree. I know the tree also have their different kind of spirit. But if you look at animals today, because of their consciousness, there are animals today, their consciousness is always inflammable. They also have confidence on their fathers, on their mothers. But we as a human, our consciousness is higher than every other creature in life. That was why after God had created everything, he gave man dominion over birds of the air, over the fishes of the water, over every creeping living thing that creep under the earth. That was what God does. Now, if you begin to look at what you are called, you are a believer. Did you believe in the truth? Now, if you are really a believer, why are you always fighting the people who is, speaking truth? That will say you are not a believer. And the Bible says, If we must worship God, we must worship God in truth and in spirit. That is to say, your spirit being to have an intimacy relationship with God Almighty. Your spirit being must definitely have a divine intimacy with God Almighty, not be half. Your spirit, that is to say your soul, not this body that is going to have the intimacy with God. Your spirit will be having a very strong intimacy with God Almighty. So that's why you have to worship God with all your heart. Your spirit means everything that you have. Your soul and your body. Whatever thing you are doing, you are not doing assumption. You are not faking anything. If you come across evil done on one head that they commit evil, tell and say na evil you they commit so. Because the only way we can have a better society is speaking the truth. We have already seen on media a protest happened today in Oluku that the people from Ovia's south, whatever, the southeast, they were protesting. Now, what were they protesting for? The excessive killings. They said no day Fulani does not come to come and kill. Now, I have offended you by talking about this excessive killing some time ago. Now, Edo people is waking up and they are surrounded everywhere. Now, you will not come and say you are a believer of the tradition. If you are a believer of the tradition, Edo to the world, Edo have a cultural heritage that is very big. Then most of all, instead of us to make history, we are reading miseries. Now, what is the traditional doing for us? Our tradition, what is it doing? I'm an African man, you are an African man. Let's go to debate and say, look at what our tradition is preventing for us. Is it useful to us abroad? Only till today that function in our traditions. The burial and wedding or wedding and bride price, they call them. That's all. Now, it was supposed to be more than that. Those days we grew up to come and meet our fathers. When there is war, let me use Origbe for example. The Okakwo is the one that prepare people for war. If you get men in bring come, they go bump them, man their body. Go even jare. Now, if you are talking about Benin today, Benin, they said they fought war, they have warrior. Who did they fight? Did they fight Kuwait? The fight that happened was within this tribe and this tribe. But then, where are the warriors today? A lot of us today, there are more people that will never get better in their life. There are a lot of people that will never get better in their life. There is no two ways about it. They will never get better, no matter how you try to paint it. That's why we have to be very, very careful. We have to be very, very careful over the thing we indulge ourselves in. Please just hold on, please. I know you try to come in. I'm Ola Broker. So we have to be very, very careful. Because if you look at the situation of things, the thing is, is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. Now, the same thing Igbo people did by taking all into their hands, going to armed struggle. God, we are using somebody to preach the same gospel. Because I get Matthew Nadikanu, His Excellency, read the book of Mark 16, verse 15. He said, go into the world and preach the gospel to every living creature. Now, even the Jesus Christ that came, it was the same gospel we were preaching. If you go to the book of Mark, Matthew 4, verse 17, he said, repent, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand. The same thing we are doing, but in a different manner. You are waiting for kingdom of heaven, but kingdom of heaven is going to come. Now, you will die. The next generation will also come. The earth remaineth. But whatever thing you can do to save your life, be on earth, enjoy it. You have to do. That was why the Igbo people, they go into armed struggle. Because they know that their governors, the president can never do anything about it. It's like they are setting up a war. Fulani is dragging. Okay, now, will the federal government of Nigeria come and join to start attacking Fulani? Those ones, they are inside the bush, fighting you from the bush. They did not live in DROA. Fulani does not live in Osadebe Avenue. Some of them, they rent your house. They will make arrangement from your house, from one room they rent. That arrangement they make today from your house,
You know the bush more than them. They will go to the bush and they start executing it. And you that own the house, you give them roof. You cannot make use of your own land. You show that you are an animal. This is not Buhari's fault. It's a fact between the people that come and invade you now. They want to see how powerful you are. At the time, as Igbo people now, they unleash on Fulani. After the killing and everything, they'll come settle around one. My dog people will read the meditation from today to tomorrow. Over second hands are tied. If you don't know now, know. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this. Over second hands are tied. It is not constitutional to what they have signed that over second you should arrest anybody. Then, if you now take law into your hand, the way Fulani take law into their hand, then Obaseki is not looking for real people to start arresting. A man take me bug Obaseki. He will not spend 7 days in the Saturday and just 1 year you want. But you are not ready to save yourself. That's the problem. You are waiting for federal government. Did these people seek permission for federal government? They have not seek permission for federal government. Then why are you not waiting for federal government? What they are doing to you is illegal. You use illegality at times to solve illegality. You are waiting for Senate to come and pass a bill, arrest all Fulani. And these people, they are not agreeing that they are killing you. But why not go and lay ambush in your farm? Let the youth stop complaining. Go and lay ambush in your farm. Set trap. Anything your trap take you for inside bush. Now your own. So we are waiting for federal government to come and pass a bill. All Fulani leave Edo State. They have a reason why they are doing what they are doing. You have a reason to protect yourself. You don't want to die. As you have made the protest today in Oluku, God bless you for coming out. You guys just came to come and help me. I thought I was only the one see what was happening. I thought I was only the one that have human sympathy. Not the only one get person for Benin. You get, me get. You have property that they are going to burn. If I thought they are polarizing anybody, they cannot polarize me because I'm not there. But most of the struggle we are doing is just to help our people. Because being our voice is not to tag anybody. Let's also use our voice right now to help our people at home. And right now they are woke up. You need to go and listen to what they say. Everybody is lamenting. We are waiting for government to give us permission. Did they take permission? Have you ever seen Fulani kill anybody? Then let me display it here. For example, let me use 20 euros. For example now, they wrote here that federal government of Nigeria said we should kill you. Have you ever seen anything like that? No. All what they are doing is illegal. So if not because our people, they don't have conscience, I will keep on insulting your bad leader, even though not your part. Because the word of God that you are studying in church, what does it say? It is very clear. It says anyone that must worship God, God is a spirit. If you have to worship God in spirit and in truth. If you want to even call yourself a child of God, make sure you are truth in you. The other name for our God is truth. A matter. Now, why are we not having truth in our society? Now, who is the cause of this very thing? Igbo people now, they are saying Samuel Ekman. I think I saw it on media. I spoke a little about the other day that he's the one sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria. Now, not terrorism. You can see how people fool themselves. Some of them, not be all. You can see how people fool themselves. You are putting all what Nigeria have been doing into one man's head. What about tomorrow? The father that is not even I can swear for that guy. I'm waiting for a day that God will lead me. I will go and use myself in a ring descending. Like when Bob remember, I'll cost myself, still cost myself. I don't know it from Adam. A reasonable man that is fighting for freedom will not do such a thing. He is number one. Now, why are you putting it on his head? If you want it today, how many of you will freely, as it was in 1980 something? You come from abroad and you the Gavalate. Now everybody is afraid. People that come from abroad right now, they only lock themselves inside the house. None of them want to stay. None of them, you cannot enjoy your life the way it ought to be. There are restrictions everywhere. Who put us in these restrictions? We call them bandits. They are not Nigerian military. It is bandits. People that come to come and kill, to steal, and to destroy. are not from part of governmental body join am. Why not let us do investigation? Who do we think is supporting these people? Let's begin to also shook hand for their heart gradually, gradually. Before you know, we get all this thing done. But we are folding our hands. We are reading it lamentation. They don't already kill your partner. They rape your wife already. Stop cow meat, you won't stop. Then what do you want us to do for you? The only strength we have given it out. I will not tell you to go into armed struggle. But if I were to be you, you cannot stop me from going to farm our life. You can't stop me. What they are doing is not constitutional. It is unconstitutional. That's why civil disobedience is allowed. And they are doing civil disobedience. Do you think it is the will of the government of Edo State to really just watch and see you die? Maybe the meeting is that more not top to any government wey top will come kill am. But you, the people, wey were born, you did the caucus meeting. That's why going into politics in Nigeria, you must go and do concussion. No reasonable governor with his right senses, with his real consciousness. Because some of the things they take to come and do was to come and save you, not to come and carry you. And right now they cannot save you. Save yourself. You are not. Sponsor, where is that Aji and Aji? Where is those men that know how to smoke is going up? Why not go to your village and protect your village? If na even cutlass you see hold, put tension in these people's body. If you have any elders in your village that is perpetrating all these evil, more than call out to order. Man, they will take away your land, not even taking away your land, they will still kill you, Jonah, and it's a taboo. Even your forefathers, your ancestors will even burn you alive when they even see you in the spirit world. So things are not working. A lot of people say I'm no hero. This will not be pandering for play. They mean what they are doing. They want to kill you gradually. You know when you do something instrumentally. That is it. So if the truth is not in you, you does not know God. You call yourself believer. Even most of you are running away from Christianity and not be Christian. Yes. Even the believer umbrella where you take cover, you don't even see what to become believer. Because the definition of believer, it does not rhyme with you. Then why are we deceiving ourselves? If believer is defined as someone who has confidence in the truth, and the word of God is truth. Now, why are we not seeing truth in our society? Look at pastor today. Look at what Jeremiah did. I will play part of the video to you. He went to go and kneel down to go and pray for peace. He was talking about barrenness. Jeremiah doesn't talk about the insecurity the people is saying that is more that the major problem we are facing. Jeremiah doesn't talk about it. Don't you see these people? They always just seeing us as a fool. They are seeing us that the most brilliant people on earth, even not because we show that our life to this white people. Now, black man. Do you know how our father were able to invent this Rukmi, that lamp where they call it put kerosene? It was black man that invented it. That invented it. Even up to traffic light, it was a black man. But we showed everything. Look at they even said this one before they will see my right now. Even the waiting they come to do now, they don't even want to spend money. They just say, "Oh, do one like that, that's what they be fool." They keep on calling us fool. But someone will still come with his brain at the center of his head, defending such a thing. Let me just show you a brief of the video before we proceed. Let me show you a brief of the video. After we might have finished this topic today, you go know say, man, yes, the kind of life we are living is not good. There is something missing in the life that we are living. Let me play you this video, very brief. I'm going to forward it. I'm going to forward it. Now, according to the, let me call it rumor first, that is selling the key for 100,000 naira. This, why are they doing this? Because they are calling you animal. That's it. But people will still come out today. If God can speak like this, let me not just talk about it because this man has go. I will not deliberate on that, but I've already seen I will not be explaining this one very well to you. Because person will say, make na momo, na be momo. Na Jeremiah na be goat. Even Nollywood have not treat all this far. Nollywood, don't even do this. The Nollywood, the film you are watching, that what we are not even seeing the film. I don't know what's happening to us. What's happening to us? Is it not enough? Is really a man of God? Do we have a man of God in Nigeria? How many times they went for protest? That the way you are killing us. And right now they are taking killing as a normal day-to-day routine. It's a normal thing you must die. But these same people that own the congregation, their children, nothing will ever happen to them. Have you heard that apart from one pastor now with the dog kidnapped, and those ones were set up by the school whatever, Pastor Daniel Osamoyi, the Martin of Fire, whatever. Have you heard that their children died, their wife died? No, this is what I'm them. So the plan is that keep on killing them gradually. If they talk good, if they does not talk, rest. Until you guys go into armed struggle, it will stop. No, government can never tell these people to stop. Excepting the plans, the population plan is finally crumbled all over the world. And did you even know whether it's the population plan? You don't know. Now, you don't know the cause of problem, how you go to solve it. Most of us up to now, we follow SARS. For you to even visit some certain page that can give you an insight of what's happening in the world, you don't follow. Now, since you have been following it, your brain will be taking over. If you are not very careful, if you allow them to take over the whole places, which they have already, they are just waiting for you to sleep, they unleash on you. The reason why they have not started killing thousands because you are still behaving like a coward. As you are just waiting now, more kill you as you like, no problem. The very day you rise up against them, now you know say the village already they are taking it from you. No longer the house you are proud of, you are first life in Umbo. The house is not your own now to have a better society. Because imagine your government is not speaking and they are killing you. Is it before you? They will start raiding people away from their house. Who are you going to call? CP or police? Or commissioner of police? Or zone 5 you are going to call? They will dwell in your house in Ikobayi there. Who are you going to call now? You won't call anybody. They sold the land automatically. Then our political leader comes in. For those of us that is always buttressing their our kingdom have been there since BC whatever. What is the use of the kingdom? Your kingdom cannot protect you. Come on, they cannot talk to their children. Call the two children together. Please, we are one. Stop collecting land from these people. They cannot talk to them. Then you want to tell me you are a believer. Then you cannot say you are a believer, you are not truthful. You are a goat. You are not a believer. You are an animal. Every reasonable human being should do far better than what I'm doing right now. Every reasonable human being, if you know you are a human being, you should do far better than what I'm doing right now. That's why John chapter 4, verse 24 precisely, he said, our God is a spirit. Everyone that must worship God in spirit and in truth. Not they use high service to worship God. Worship God with all your heart. What I'm doing right now, I'm doing it with my spirit, my soul, my body. It's like what I'm wired to do. It's inherent and inalienable. That's why if I'm speaking here, I'm not going to look your eye. I don't know. If you want me to respect your throne, do what that your throne is made for. We don't have leaders just for them to suffocate us. The reason why God makes you a leader is commit something to you. That's why He makes you a leader. But the one that we have, they showed us how. Now, I was asking myself questions some days ago here. And I said, okay, let's assume Kogi is rising up against Edo State. Does that mean our leader cannot protect us? Let's assume there is war now as Ukraine, the fake war they are fighting. And what they said, my own is invitation, your own can be invasion. If I want to even support you in the invasion, they went there to go and remove the Kazera Mafia, the Nazi Malaysia, the same people that caused the Second World War. If any combination. Biochemical lab in Oreva and where there. A lot of children have been rescued, as I tell you right now, in Ukraine. So many bunkers is in Ukraine, which they have already destroyed. After the government have triggered off the Third World War, they go enter underground bunker. They'll go and stay there with their family. After the war, they will come out. But thank God for Donald Trump and his team. All those bunkers, as I tell you right now, is being destroyed. But you are lost in emotions when these same people are doing what to save your life. This was the same thing about Podi. Una the can even mention. If ESN was in a dose, you will not be dying like this, I swear on God. But did you cooperate? The same people want you down. The same people want to, who at one person invaded you. They never want the land to belong to you. That's why they fold their hands. Who they are killing is not their children. It's not their biological children. They are their children by invasion. Go and take your ancestral root. Go and take your ancestral root. They're not everywhere. One not here, but me not been anywhere. Now, spirit of you do you get. You dey insult me. Now they are going my way. I go to see you. Yeah, you go where they didn't go. Why beg? Because it's hard time we wake up from our sleep. We don't even care to know ourselves. We don't know our enemy. Right from time, it has been conquered. Right from time, we were even the land the God show unto Abraham. Before Abraham came, people were already there. Abraham did not go there. Isaac did not go. It was during the time of Moses. Great grandchildren. Now I can read their history. No, say, okay, now let's go to this land. Before they came there, people were already occupying it. Even the people they sent to go and spy the land, those ones came with an evil report. He said, if you see the Fulani in Oreva, it has been there from time. So these same people, they invading you right now. They have a reason why they are invading you. I told you yesterday, may you not stay there, no, say, where later the worst in front, they will not know. Everything you start to do in life, there is always a backup spirit. There is a spirit right now that is endangered, that is encouraging the Fulani to kill you. Now, spirit, they give them encouragement to. I cannot tell you the spirit. Go and look for it. Everything you want to do, but it does not last. If you want it to last and let them invade you for the hand, they will invade you. And they go, if Fulani, they do to Lavi, yeah, they do to Lamogu. You cannot get it taken, but you are putting up your hand. Look at now, argument in social media. What God cannot do does not. The man want to buy. That's any person that go to that platform where you're working, because they are still managing everything. They want you to do everything by prayer, but prayer is not solving anything. Even in the book of Numbers 31 verse 49, Moses said, go and count the people. He said, Master, we have counted and known it. They were coming back from war. It was a war between them and Fulani. It was a war between Moses and Ashwa. It was a war between Moses and Boko Haram. It was a war between Moses and Omila. But right now we are praying. No ammunition, nothing. The very deadly people will hear we say, oh yeah, all of them, wait. Obaseki will be lifted immediately by helicopter. He don't enter sky. And Philishaibu and their wife, they are gone. Then who do you think is going to save you? If it is like this right now, you have no help. Is it when you know by escalated? As soon as see many so, every and a day, stop smoking it. Go! Stop killing yourself. At least form a gang. If they see and say the way they take come, una resist the one, they will stop it. Before our queen mothers pray, and the goddess mother pray, thank God for that. You see the way you are cutting yourself. So up now, you are not annoying. And this kind of way, if you go, God is going to give you a treatment for it because you are defending your ancestral land. But you will only stupidly killing your own brother for nothing sake. And right now, there is an outsider. The evil God, the spirit of God will join that higher spirit to make sure you succeed because you are protecting your ancestral land. Whatever, if they saw their kids, another co-soldier during war, that the war be declared, the soldier is not a murderer. That's what we must have to know. But a lot of people, some of you here that know how to do a book, come on, it's not your friend, but it's for you. You don't go see yourself. People are spending hundreds of thousands to remove their picture from Suran. Just because jealousy. And right now, you cannot call your brother at home, please, my brother. But protect the village, me. They are folding hands. Arawa ye bowa muwaya. Eboya ya muwana. You are folding your hand. Uronibe today now are surrounded on. Nearly the whole village is in a door of be surrounded. As soon as they hear command right now, hey, Ofo, you are waiting for Obase. Obase will not do anything. And they are taking law into their hands. Take law into your hands. You have been reading the meditation for the past how many years? They will keep today, the tension will go down. I will lament. The Obase did not visit to raise them. Obase did not visit to Riomo. Then that is hospital. Next month again, the key. Let's assume this killing starts like this, continues like this. How many of us are remaining today? They don't just want to enter one because they have no bullet that will kill everybody. That's why they are killing you so mentally. Now, village go there for kitchen, automatically the rest people go run, they will take over the village. That's what they do. And as soon as they take over the village, where are you going to hide? Fulani know your bush more than you now. They know your bush more than you. All of you is in Benin City. You are in Upper. Uro work on most of these lazy animals in Nigeria today, if they were to be in abroad, they will not help their brother. The risk your sister took, your brother took, to build that house where you walk around your day back, you couldn't protect your land. You can't do it for anybody. You can't do it for anybody. People are dying every day in Igbo land. Soldiers are unleashing on those ones. Why? Because they are resisting. If every one of us all die in Nigeria, we came out on a march, as they protest in a whatever today, in Oluku today, before you know, everybody's feet will go around and enter everybody. Mona just can't kill them. We cannot keep on doing this. These say people gone, they enter them. It's just that there is no cooperation. You are waiting for your John way to John way have collected money. Or John way can speak. The day John way stand there worry if they don't kill your children, don't worry. That's why they have to fold hand. The governor of 36 states in Nigeria have to fold hand. Olo Oton, Samuel Oton of Benue State, who are with his heart. That man is a believer. The only true believer we have in Nigeria as a governor is Samuel Oton. He has with his heart. He has been lamenting, but no governor could go and say, okay, let's do this thing together like this. God will bless ESN. God will bless ESN. Nnamdi Kanu, he said it. But we are using emotions. Look at it today. Who is to fight for? If Nnamdi Kanu were to be in free world, 3 months, the whole Fulani is gone. Did you help? You didn't help. Up to now, you are not praying. You are fathers and mothers. How will you allow a stranger to come and kill your father's house? How will you? Because settlement. Because settlement. I'm a believer, that's why I speak the truth. You cannot just say you are a believer just by Rema. It must have to be seen in you. The evidence of a true believer is the life that you live. If you are really a true believer, you should hate what is happening to us. If you don't get here, if they were able to poison every one of you, they did poison me. I will die when I decided. Not when they decided. But look at it today. I break protocol you couldn't break. I encourage myself. I give encouragement to millions of people in the world in Guana. It is my aura. Right now they are violating your life away from home, and the death will sit down. It is better you die while fighting than you die when you are lying down. Until you stand up, you do not know how powerful you are. So let's be very, very careful over what we do. Now, stop misleading our people with false narrative about their ancestral roots. We have been misled. You know, if you have a father, for example, that man is not your real father. Maybe your father died in the accident. He brought you up. At times, there are things he will do over to Mama Bio. But the one way reborn, there is a way he's going to do it. The people you feel they are going to speak for you, they are not your ancestral father. Stop deceiving yourself. They themselves, they know. They say it is where they are. You know the name they call you in their place. They call you Ovin. Why are they shouting? They are an invader. The truth are there. Not all any person that is lying. The few one I know which I'm convinced of, I will come here to come and tell you without fear of faith. The few ones I know. I may not be able to tell you the story of Ozolo. But the men looking at the matrix of what's happening, I know that they invaded us to put us into mental slavery. That's why history was removed. If anybody want to talk about what happened now, What was happening in the palace in those days that they demanded human sacrifice? Have they been able to tell us? Now, let me give you a brief story vis-a-vis. The people they ran, we can no longer take it any longer. They went and consulted Oracle. Then what will make the people right now to start paying tribute as usual? Somebody must have to go in for it. According to the story we are told, the woman made herself as a living sacrifice to restore the palace. Waiting first prayer for the palace. You will not ask questions. Have you been able to ask? Do you know whether now you the key tomorrow to the restaurant? No, they not going to restaurant. And since the restoration, what is our benefit? Come and tell me. Put it in the comment section. And you think you are talking anyhow? You think you are lying? Look at what we have benefited. Even not because of this palace, our life will not be like this. Put it there now. This is where most people are going to be having problems. A lot of people will have problems. And we are already passing through the problem already. Owama, Oema. Now, do you know what Minister for Foreign Affairs of Rwanda said? Day before yesterday. He said they are not going to be accepting migrants from Democratic Republic of Congo. They are not going to be accepting migrants from Burundi. They are not going to be accepting migrants from Tanzania because they want to truly deal with the treaty they have with the UK. That even anyone that is coming even from the UK, they have to check whether they have criminal record or not. They trace them back to their country before they will allow them to come into Tanzania. Because these people, they have right to block their border, right? They have right to block their border. If not, they go full nana. There is about 12.95 million. Before you know, it go reach 20 million. Before you know, people start kidnapping them. Before you know, Fulani go there. They want to treat people. They want to treat them accordingly. They want to make sure they filter it. If you are going to come, you tell us your story, we investigate it to your heart. Whether you take it personally, that's the recent development. But people were feeling opportunity for us to go to Rwanda. No. They are not going to deal with the UK direct of what they said because UK have paid almost about 270 million pounds allegedly for this very deal. So it does not permit you that is in Nigeria to start running to Rwanda. Please stop your country. They will not accept you. They will not accept you. Please stop your country. Do you know how DP camp that we have? All these idiots campaign here and they vote for this one for senator. What are they doing about the insecurity? They are closing their eye as if it is not going to happen. But it is happening everywhere because they don't go to farm. They don't live in the village. They live in the ring road. And Fulani have not started killing the ring road. They kill in neighboring villages. Now, we ring road contain everybody. And what is our people doing about it? What are we doing about it? Do you know the reason why a wife will always call his husband Lord? Ah, my Lord. Because of the way that man is treating the woman. When it comes to hair, bad shoe, bonded hair, latest weavon, buy car and all of that. If you be man wey no dey put change for how me or what take cook, everything wey my Lord. Everything wey no be one big, don't work and do you own. Also our leader is. Now let people assume they want to try to make sure one or two things is done. They have not been able. What they now do, they seek for her. They seek for her. That's why you use what you have to get what you don't have. Ah, the rain is coming down again. The rain is coming down again. So until you stand up to fight, you don't know how powerful you are. Until you stand up to fight, you don't know how powerful you are. The Fulani herdsmen plans is to kill you gradually. That's what they do. That's what they are doing right now. Nigerians are like boats without a captain. That's Nigeria for you. You know, when you are inside the boat without a captain, everybody, whatever thing that happens, you take it. That's what we are facing right now. Nigeria, as we speak, is like a boat without a captain. So do not expect right now that your hope, any governmental body is going to give you whatever. Form a clique by yourself. At least use my take them say they're not the kill. This is not what we are known for. We are being weakened. We are waiting for command from some certain area, and that command will never come. Nobody will ever give you command, protect yourself. You have to decide. They know they use man to the black person say person not there outside again. Now black sorry. Now flag they say the black person say people not there outside again, go inside. You don't tell him that man because you not going to understand. Now when they hear some kind of flag, boom, you go know say my water don't pass that. Now you come out of the time protest before it was SARS. The same people SARS were killing, they were not killing Fulani. Have you ever seen any Fulani that saw their kill? Look at yesterday. Was it not the same yesterday now? Military helicopter. And their helicopter fell down. Is it not the same yesterday here? Check how many helicopters Nigerians have lost as a result of insecurity. But here we are fooling ourselves. Yeah? Here we are fooling ourselves. Nobody want to do the right thing. Nobody ready to do the needful. We are just here, whatever thing that comes, we just take it. Whatever thing that comes, we take it. Yeah? News are coming out about injection, that look at what's happening. Me myself, almost broken hearted. See how we going to curtail all this nonsense. Look at it. That is, we no longer rumors of war. There is war everywhere. Nobody is ready to help us ourselves. Instead of at least, let's do one thing at a time. Let's try as much as we can to help ourselves. Don't assume that you are no governor. No need of you reading lamentation. Hey, governor. Make governor see here. Say, do you know whether any governor in Nigeria is even waiting? Let's see. Do we are waiting before? Don't be so surprised. Opus Zodima is manipulated. He might be happy that ESN is there. Most of the governors, they are happy that ESN is defending them. If you don't know, now know. All these governors, they are happy. All this one you see television, they are just acting things. They have to add the thing to be real. So that their Baba Egbe that sent them, they have collected money. They will not go and be querying them tomorrow. That's why they do what they do. That those states can also do the same thing. How long are we going to be lamenting? The woman will be raped in her central home, beheaded. Then we are here putting our hands. Still don't get the fault of the government. The government did not rape Fulani in Plateau State. The government has not raped Fulani in Kano. The government has not raped Fulani in Kaduna. It has been the people. The will of the people must stand. You are the government. It's only there to stand in what you said. If you say to the big thing, when I go to the day of any, Opposite will not enter the office until you provide ammunition for us. You go say, okay, I'll get back to you. Any idea what you come back give you now, or now money when they collect for when I pay the teller, now they buy ammunition. If the those people really want to get rid of whatever, how many land are they so? Would they equip some 30 men? If some 30 wager we have today that are doing land grabbing, if they pile up their boys, they can rape Fulani. But those people are not concerned them. They want you to even die. Imagine the village right now where near Benin, where they already invade. They are going to sell those land later. They will never allow you to come back again. Who do you think is going to allow you to come back? They say you see they see. That is they do jackfruit. No, not the letters they do jackfruit. So now when he never overread now, war not be waiting good. Those is one way happen for Sudan. The war kept quiet and they will allow you to unleash on each other. The same people in position now, they are the one causing tension everywhere. They want to tell me they have not heard about what's happening in Nigeria. They don't care. Ammunition is entering Nigeria has gone away there. Those states is more than the one in Ukraine. I will not advise anybody now. Look at where you are going to relocate. To relocate to where? Who know when they are going to enter Ring Road? Which village they have never killed now? They surrounded everywhere. If not my thing today right now, because I know what's going to be happening in the future. I will not tell you because I know what's going to be happening in the future. Put your hand and let them come and see you. At least resist. Things will get better. Whatever it takes you to stay alive, you do it. But these excessive killing and these people, they are strangers. Our road to our town right now, they know it more than us. The youth are just there. Anytime the youth want to rise up, the elders who have collected money, they will suppress them. And we will feel we are helping ourselves. That's what we feel. If you look at the book of 2 Corinthians 3 verse 17, it says, now the law is that spirit, and where the spirit of God is, there is liberty. He said, now the Lord is that spirit. Where the Spirit of God is, a liberty. The Spirit of God is no longer in Africa. That's why today you don't have liberty. He's here abroad. He's not in Africa in any way. If at all he's there, they divide down into 100. They leave 1% for us. If the Spirit of God is there, there's supposed to be liberty. All this is not supposed to be happening. Because of our laziness, we have chased God away. Your decision is what takes God away from your life. Our decision about our society have made God to turn about when I'm serious. At times you are teaching a son, you always teaching one thing all the time, and it's not getting it. As a father, you're global believer. However, you will go to whatever. Your God will leave you. The same thing God did. If God found out that you are not serious, you go, but we can be persuaded. That was happening to us today. That is exactly what's happening to us today. If you are not getting this liberty, and the Bible said, get the Spirit of God is the liberty, in the book of 2 Corinthians 3 verse 17. That is to say, the Spirit of God is no longer there. That's why it doesn't have liberty. If you are talking about liberty, you are talking about freedom. A person that has no freedom is like somebody that has no, that a body that has no spirit. You can see that how the people coexist together. A person that has no freedom is like a body without a spirit. So spirit matters a lot. I told you before now, anything you do like there's a spirit. The spirit of killing right now is in Fulani. That's why anytime they come, how many number they will say they want to kill, they must kill it. So the very day you also made up your mind, you want to defend yourself, God will return of all remove the spirit of fear away from you. If you even go do that, well, no. Because of the boldness that you have, that you want to protect your land. If they shoot you from bad mistake, you don't go enter. God will block them. But don't go and say because you don't match that now, you must go for no. You have to take over as it's supposed to be. That's why in life you don't seek to conquer. If you are a good soldier, you want to succeed in the war, you don't just stand and begin to shoot gun, you take over. Are you taking over? No, you are not taking over. Every one of us, we are happy. You are still pampering your brother. Advise your brother, please, whatever you can do to protect yourself, protect yourself. These people, they are ready to do and undo. They are coming out, they are in Nigeria in millions. Mali is driving all of them away right now. The Tucano jet that the Malians, they bought from this thing, have already been delivered inside this very week. Mali not get time for the one where you do now. Burkina Faso not get time. Our leaders, they are not in the forefront to make sure they fix up our society. I know a time is going to come. There's going to be military alliance all over the world, which is going to be headed by Donald Trump. Election will be monitored. Everywhere will be secure. But before that time, it can be 10 years time. I don't know. But I know the world is about to better. But that does not mean that you go kill yourself. In true unity, we can. Because they always give us division. They know that when we are divided, in unity we stand, divided we fall. Look at the book of Psalm 133. King David said, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to get together in unity. Because King David know that all the war he went, every war he fought, he was able to fight it because of the unity, because of the bond of unity. Also look at Nehemiah. That when the gate of Jerusalem fell, they went to go and call Nehemiah. There are people that are mighty man in battle. There are people right now we are supposed to call in a dose. Please, spearhead this very thing. Look at the vigilante we set up. People we are spending money. Vigilante is only told to catch people that still fall in ring road. There's supposed to be other group right now like ESL. I mean, if I see you for inside bush, you be meet. If I see you for inside my bush, you will meet. That was what the SM did. But the sin some of those people committed when Nnamdi Kanu was arrested is what they are suffering today. Edo will be more water than Imo State. Go and watch the video. It's in Apostle Afedu, you know, Tape. Go and watch it. The man that you say every day they must kill. Every day they must kill. How many did they tell you they are going to kill and stop? Did they tell you the number of amount they are going to kill and stop? How much okay, it's something. That we're fooling ourselves. That's why let's always mind the way we mock at people when they have calamity. That's why today, no matter whatever you are going through, I don't mock at you. I don't want to be in solidarity because we don't know tomorrow. This very thing, I've ever come here one day, I say, no, top put again, not go affect me. It will affect me, it will affect you. It will affect me, it will affect you. I will say to you, so, forget that your Christianity. If Christianity was war, what God cannot do does not exist. What God cannot do does not exist. I will say to you, you don't need to even face that. It must affect you. It must affect you by one way or the other. At the time they kill your friend, you are half dead. At the time somebody you know is beheaded, you yourself, you are half beheaded. So before it happens, let not play away our life. Let us begin to work hard and what away our country be taken away from our ancestral home. The person you are looking onto, trace his ancestral root. Benin have, if you don't know now, no. I know most of you don't want to hear this as well, but I will tell you today. Benin is of two. There are Igodomigo, the one they are Benin. Go and confirm your ancestral root. If you are doing Igodomigo, they do, you are finished. Now, when they say you have you ever asked? Then I just say, what? When I just say, when you know money, I just say, because you don't know what you are doing. Most of us that came out to this struggle, you just feel we just want to start talking. I should have been talking of what they will give me money if I'm taking it. But if everybody like this stand up and begin to do this sensitization, let's do this exposition. We should know our sexual roots. The person you call your father is not your father. Or they know they know they never a time stepfather can ever be your father. Your father don't die, forget it. Even though your mama go marry another man tomorrow, my dear, that bond not there. A step in it on is a step in the way. Make can just play if it is possible. Anything that does not make you play, step in it, I don't know. Be very, very careful because one day we are away. One day that step may take your leg. That's anything there is step. You have to be very, very careful. Any narrative that it does not get clear, the boy, a lot of you today, you have over humiliated your own brother who will be a party for your criminal love. Because the spirit of the do is awakening right now. Ready to liberate the children. Who is it going to use? Only me. We need more food soldiers. Who will protect our land? It has been invasion right from time. If you fall down right now, the way of the soul were invaded. They will also invade. It happens in the Bible. So don't say God will not allow it. Now you not go allow them. Man, we always say God will fight my battle, will hold your peace. One thing you have to tell yourself do. Admit that you want to fight. I think I said it right now. Very frank as I say with you. It will affect me, it will affect you. You go cry, me go cry. I will not say because I have the fruit. Oh, no, my brother. You go cry. We are not here. No, my dear, we go cry. For that cry not to happen right now, let's all admit that we are in mess. Exodus 14 will not work for you without you have not evaluated your fast. No determination you are going to take. Some follow all these same process that will say God will do it. These people, they are not ready to pass over. If they are going to pass over, they will pass over specifically some doors with the signal you don't know. You don't know. Should I be telling you who not read them? Go and ask your father and your mother. Where I know who know, I will direct you to people to tell you what and where you belong to. A father will not just close out to see children killed if he loves the children. That's where I'm having a lot of questions today. That's where I'm having a lot of that. And I'm convinced within me. I can say these things here. A door is of two tap. There is one specific tap that must have to go down. I'm not picking racism here. Who now the kind of study they are coming Today they are everywhere. You only say they are coming, they are already there now. Who now the kind of study they are coming, prepare, you do listen, they are there now, they are now carrying. Monitors on certain villages. Villagers are no longer there in those villages. These people they are taking over. Because the person you feel is your ancestral father. And what they be, the people that would have represented you because they are cowards, they use money to buy their conscience. And those ones they are folding hands. That's why in Uronigbe today, Uronigbe is my ancestral home. Uronigbe, my pa and my mama no can say Uronigbe. Uronigbe is my ancestral home. The ancestral DNA of Uronigbe now carry. Nigeru. On another job will be Oyogida. He will be Oyogida. Era de Oyogida. Am I communicating? But there are another person who can trace their ancestral home also to Uronigbe. They fold their hands. But if we were to be politics, we are going to out of Israel. Where are you today? What are they campaigning for? Are they campaigning stop the killing? No, they are not campaigning. But you will see stupidly tomorrow call your brother vote for that person. How long will you keep on supporting an individual to achieve his dreams? You have a dream also. Now we are uniquely unique and differently different. There is something you have passion to do. Right now, what I have passion for, let everybody just be okay. I don't at least stay alive. Good life, you have it. If you can't come make camp, you do extra work. That's why if you want more salary, is where you are working. When your mates are leaving, your boss tell you, say, please, can you go for extra? You can still spend another 4 hours. What you do, you call person and get there, please, I'm opportunity to worry now, how God just bless me today. I want to do another extra 4 hours. You know, say that 4 hours at least, or you need 40 card or 50 card or 60 card about where you. Now, so this like this. But there's something that is fundamental at least. Stay in this life. Whether you can't get money, now you can't know whether work or you work. But we have no place to work. These same political, whatever terrorists we have in Edo, you know they are fed. And these are the people you are looking as the author and the finisher of your faith. That means that they are saved, you are saved. No. They have been exempted. Their children will never be kidnapped. Their children will never be kidnapped. Before your dear way sold land to them, or before they say, okay, now, why are we not talking about how these people came? How many of us want to read a little bit historical? So, okay, now, how did these people infiltrate our land? In what way did they came? They came in the name of, with the escort house, the parenting house. Then they are now in our booth. They drop arms. They drop everything. When this man in America, we are shot with them, 2017, they are dropping ammunition. You that they kill today, so that is in Ovia. Maybe you will be part of the people that say, go and look for what? Go and look for what? That guy is paying. They don't know about you. But today, you have lost your mother. Now, if somebody pass out information, make use of the information. Because what the person had, if you look at the man now, you no longer talks about it. At times, I will not insult him because he's not talking about it. I will not insult him. I have a lot of problem with him, criticizing him because of him. Because I want him to be safe. That is it. I have no personal whatever I say, no why now. No. Why must you keep on behaving like this? Don't you know our society does not need such a thing like this? Don't you know as a freedom fighter, you are supposed to not be fighting individual? That has been the case. I don't have what we are dragging. He has wanted us to be friends. I look at it, go and tell us take care of your head. If you must have to be friends, take care, come to play again. What instead of all make me to accept you, stand again as a freedom fighter you was in 2017, not as a politician. That does not stop you from going to politics. But right now, we in Rigwanya. Have you ever heard again say, oh, Ponce say now we don't need the wait for running bonus and say stop it. Do you not make video of this? He wash hand. Una make wait, una know how make and wash hand. Now una make and wash hand. Now una discourage them. Because we don't know how to encourage freedom fighters. We always use excitement. As I be talking now, go and say to ancestral DNA. Most of you now you don't divest. You know why you divest, so why do they talk like that now? Excitement is going to be one day now. But when you not the time to talk, everything is said today is sacrosanct. 100% right. But are we ready to have a retreat back and say, okay, now, this thing, it just has to be. Both do and well. God word not the fall for granted. He must achieve within the purpose way is spoken for. That's why the book of John 20, Matthew 24, verse 35. He talks about it. He warns us about it. God is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Heaven and earth will pass away. He said, my word will never pass away. Only what will not pass away in this world, as far as we are concerned, is the word of God. Particularly, if somebody that is a believer who speaks the truth, don't always hearken to that word. At times, we are always using excitement for everything that guy to speak. Okay, if I'm not speaking, one talking. Now nobody wants to talk. At least we can say it. We are not insulting anybody. But we come from a country whereby if you speak the truth like this, particularly what has to do with tradition, I don't know why we so much hacking to this very tradition. We just hacking to it. That we must die along with it. And the thing is not helping us. And we are supposed to blot it out. And this is the thing that is putting us into mess today. Look at the state not working. Our people right now to be returned from Europe to Africa. You think that's a good omen? No, you want to tell me that's a good omen? Maybe it's a very good sign. It's not a good omen. We are gone. Until every African is free, we are not free. Forget about your Pale. Pale is a means of identification. I don't say no, Nigeria not get Pale. What made British passport? It's because the life and property they protect. Nigeria tomorrow, if we have a better leader like the life that is coming, I don't know when that is going to be possible. Whether our people go see green, whether you yourself go stand up to do the needful, I don't know. If the law happens to appear, Nigerian Pale will be almost the same thing like Britain. I ask you a question though, will Spanish person go to UK now? It's just that our people become so dumb. I don't get Pale. It's a mix of identification. It does not add food to your table. It's just that you are here, you cannot say you are now our citizen. Is it not even a cause? You leave your home, you are not the country, you are not a citizen, you be refugee. Can any Italian person right now, is Spanish person, go Italy? They go only give Senegal social number there in case you want to do anything. They want paper that we just get. Everything is the same. But our own, we are happy. Deny our nationality. Deny our ancestral ground. And here today, we don't know. We are always very happy. Everything that comes, we count as an achievement. It's not just an achievement. It's not just an achievement. Let us be soberly reflected that our country is in need. Let's accept it for once. Not that God will fight your fight, He will hold your peace. Let's begin to evaluate our fight. Let's know how expensive our fight is. Let's know the kind of ammunition we are going to go. The book of Ecclesiastes 3 from verse 1, it says there's time and season for everything. Too much of quietness is bad. Too much of everything is bad. Fulani does not have a specific state today. They come from everywhere. They are like Gitanos here in Spain. There are tribes that are Gitanos. They don't have a specific country. They are just everywhere. This one coming from Mali, coming from everywhere. The one they are driving from Mali right now, they want to come and take over your country. The Iswap they are driving from Mali. The Fulani in Mali, the Boko Haram. You are just there looking at it that these people, they make this. They want to take over everywhere. And your leader that is campaigning for election, they don't talk about, they think that will go to even federal. Until we collapse this very system, what's going to work? Somebody is going to Aso Rock. You make people there in Aso Rock. The hand of Britain, the hand of NATO, the hand of UN, the hand of EU that is in Nigeria, you have not removed it. They are not going to tell you, don't give them life. Now you want first pattern. So the reason why you have to join me in prayer, so that the plans of Donald Trump come true. But you are there playing. It's not you to be praying. I own the key to Nigerian problem. It is where I support that God bring the solution. Even say go put Peter Obi, put Osi Banjo, go Jesus Christ for the can't still work. Because this evil cabal, this evil throne that is there, need to be taken off. Until you are not part to take it off. The other thing of what because the footage is bad. The footage there in Aso Rock is bad. It is a system. Until we crumble that system, the only way we can crumble that system is you and I begin to speak on one voice. Let's remove our differences. Today, okay, what is the difference between APC and PDP? If I thought PDP go there, still go to go and meet the same people. Come here. Come here. Come. So I say the function. Sign paper. You say me pull up for Nigeria. Go stand up. As you are telling me, you are there alone. The security that go take care of you, they own them. Not be say Fulani who want let go one go me. Not be say Fulani. Do you know how many commander if a minister for defense disobeyed you, you are finished. You are commander in chief when there is rule of law and order. When the rule of law, that's when you are commander in chief. If you can't call commissioner for police, just like upper secretary is not the governor of the state. That's why he cannot move the commissioner of police. Other normal condition, whether is the chief security officer. We are praying for upper secretary for you not to be kidnapped. You are seen as a governor, is not a governor. What makes you not to be governor in this? The system is corrupt. You just think a governor with his right senses, you allow people to be killed. But now, before we know that he's the chief security, that's what we know, the chief security of Demo. Why does he not have right to move the commissioner of police? People put it in platform. I was surprised. But they want to destroy person. Who's the con they use now? If they want to destroy person, they call DSA 100 will come. But they keep for Via. You know if you call anybody. Now the system, you can use them for your personal self to repair this state to 10. What are we saying? We need to start telling ourselves the truth. Because the footage, this very truth, that sorrow, it needs to be destroyed. It needs to be destroyed. You are still going to go and meet the Fulani, Minister of Information Fulani, Minister for Commander Fulani, Oil and Gas Fulani. What about you come there tomorrow? Oh, I don't know the one that owns the Constitution. You are telling me about May 2023. 2023, they don't change anything. Let's change the system. The system needs to be changed. Be praying that God collapse the evil system we have in Nigeria. It's the evil system. Now where I belong, I go feed one. Burkina Faso, those ones, they have accepted the plan. They are making it. The A29, the A30 to Kano jet that Mali ordered for. They've already delivered from Russia. Our own now, only God know who they use now. Whether there's even anybody there. Whether there's anybody there even using, only God knows. People that would have even joined Donald Trump to fight this Nyana Zoo. They did not even talk about the regularity of the election. They were protecting their place. Injection are not condemned. At least, this election, the one I said one, so no good. They did not. I know the hand of fellowship, they must definitely threaten to Nigeria. Why did they start from Burkina Faso? Why did they start from Guinea? Why did they start from Mali? Why not from Nigeria? Because nobody is ready. No Nigerian person is ready. Irregularity in the election. We did talk about that man. If there's anybody like Jesus, that man is your Jesus. You better be praying. Let everything work out. Okay, now, if you are not going to pray, you have any reason not to pray, for example. Who is going to be your helper? Who wants to run for you? This is how Obaseki will stay. 2024, gone. Before 2024, are we going to be having anything left? Even Katsina, where Buhari is from, what they are facing is more than the one of Edo State. A state of Buhari. Not be Muslim, not be the Kano. Santa Kaduna, they are almost gone. We people dey Benue. We people dey Borno. You know how they become we don't dey Nigeria. So if they can evacuate their own people, won't they evacuate you? Be there. Be doing political correctness. That guy to the talk. That guy with this face to the talk. Tell me Allah will be. Be there. Now, when time for politics come, a lot of people, they are always very interested. This time for politics. But none of us really want to do the next thing. After politics, we don't do another activity. No, they don't print poster. The system is not good. Let's form another system. Another system of government is what we need right now. Nobody has ever wanted to come and even do presidential race. So, okay, now, let's do a mega movement, a new party. So, okay, now, we get sponsor. The money we spend in ASO, you give it today. But we think only 32,000 votes. In Nigeria, I don't know what happened. When we are voting to make sure we take it back. People were picking Buhari, Edo people. But where are they today now? They didn't get the government. They collected some money. Now they want to collect another money. They don't care after tomorrow. That's why after Obaseki was elected, they doesn't care whether any policy is there for them to also protect it. That was why they fold their hands over injection. Up to now, they are folding their hands about the excessive killing. They will assume as if nothing is there. But if somebody that can tell Obaseki go and beg the palace, for example, why not that same person condemn the killing and bring out a proactive measure on what we are must have to do? Such a person should be able to also bring out a proactive measure. Please, governor, look at what you can do. Now you are sensible to tell the governor, go and beg the palace. Why not also tell the governor, please, governor, look at what we can do to stop this insecurity? Nobody cares. As if they are from whatever. Because maybe they have already called them, because it is very constant. I see no reason. We are putting our hands. We are putting our hands. These people are the owner of land. Maya Nyata came out away bona bama. Oton when I came out away bona, then the invader are there. What are you doing about that? To say you were the one that invited them to come. Somebody will not be in my territory which I control. If peace enter this area now, battle enter this area now, being that saying I stay and they stay, for example, I will join them to look for that intruder. I will not put down and say no concern. You cannot say now because I have a different color, you dey misbehave. Now me, if you thought to blow, I'll first blow before by the will come. No person just come and they destroy car. I know if it was they come out to the car, not be my own. Now dear, I will take you to my hand, I will blow up your fucking head. Why are you doing that, man? Why are you doing that? I have to prove myself. I will not start calling police without holding him. Me go the whole land. Other people they call police. They will not say, okay, why did you hold him? I should be given. There was a guy that climbed upstairs to go and rescue a child. I think that guy was using paper. He fought upstairs with honorary hand. So there are ways you make your name. But we are not ready to do anything. We claim Christianity. The Christianity we are claiming, the attribute is not in us. The character is not in us. Everything we claim. We claim Okagbe. We are not praying for the children. We pray for Okaro. The land, people are there selling land in your name. You don't care. We claim Okakwo. You know, war is happening. We are not doing anything. Then if anybody talks, why we not there though? I can't get it. Where I am right now from Nigeria, 6,000 kilometers. Now, the nuclear weapon. Or Russia, or Nigeria. What do you mean? The digital can is not a joke. Let's be serious for one. And let's stop following, looking for things that we are not supposed to look for. It's that time we call spade the spade. Our country is going down. In kilometers, we are waiting for 2023. Is it not the same thing Buhari said? Buhari with the right things. Do you think we have not been able to meet up to any of those things he said? Buhari, look at what we are going to do. Look at our plan. That was why we are going to UK. Did Buhari build any project now? Say, okay, he built hospital. He did not build. Up to now, any other president that is coming will still be going to UK. Maybe now we shame now they'll come build one. Train, they go attack us. Airport, they go attack us. Nowhere is free. If they can bring down a military helicopter, for example, what about the flight you are using from Benin from Lagos, Benin? Wouldn't they also bring it down? Some people say, I get money, I will fly plane. A plane on danger, sir. A plane on danger, sir, do my own. Anywhere I have that blade of your opponent. The way one people they land, sir, you go here. So freedom for one is freedom for all. Let's take it easy. Here we are, most of all, we are in abroad. Some became so senseless. We are not seeing anything good in the system. That where we are, let the will of God here in where we are also be reflected in our home. I'm not happy seeing our people dying. Your death is not going to profit me anything. Rather than make me feel sad. We know the value of life. Ever since I left hope, I value human beings. Am I back on you? My backing on you is to show how much I love you. Man, who you're working. That's why I'm back on you. I'm not backing on you because of hatred. The people that feed the pamper, you respect this, those to the world, those the oldest kingdom with the world. What are they doing as the oldest kingdom? What are they doing as the oldest kingdom? So, okay, now, have been that we are home to protect our people. Why will a building be there not protecting his people? Oh man, the same you will go name tomorrow. Will go. People are no longer speaking. Who is talking from abroad today from his heart? Now let me. Nobody want to talk again because some few today talk. You got 100 to remember. None of them want to talk. But you have mothers, you have brothers at home. Most of you are children. You are buildings. Look at even the footage they are showing to you in Ukraine. Did those people expected that under their house there was another house where they do they never expected that under their house there's another building inside there. They never thought. But automatically when they were destroying the building, it will affect their property. There are various reasons why you must not have to pray for what to happen. Because it will affect you. It doesn't matter how careful you are. This thing now, you are looking at it as expensive. This thing is not expensive. This thing we have done like this, they call it transfer. Now snake, different color. It's just there on his own color, you know. You can see it in yellow, you can see it in anywhere. So good everyone. So this is on the 50th process of April, Wednesday, 2022. So God bless you all. The weather is too cloudy here. It has been raining this morning and it's about to rain again now. So look at everywhere. Tide. Now rain the first is morning tide. You don't see earth sand in within houses. Where rain, plant. Look at it. We are no longer going to be showing you environment for enjoyment. We are showing you environment so that maybe for health, if you're tracing your health, people are living a normal life. You know, erosion everywhere, you go master. You don't, apart from that, the way I go your time, there where you go step, enter. Where another stand, then now you go pass stand. Where for one color, where you left one carry stand. When we have a system here, upon all, these people, they are still complaining one thing or the other. They are still complaining why we this thing be like this. Why is the government not paying more money for people that are not working? Why is government not paying money for widows? Why is this? But our own road is still our problem. So if we sleep and wake up, you see a problem. So where are we going from here? So do have a nice day, everyone. For those of us that love to call us at times, our phone number is 34 631 056 284 34 631 056 284. Do have a nice day and God bless you.